Conventional financial advice tells you to diversify your income immediately. Start a side hustle, buy crypto, flip real estate, and launch an e-commerce store all at once. This is a catastrophic strategy for early growth. Spreading your energy across 5 mediocre streams does not make you secure. It guarantees you stay mediocre at all of them. Today, we install the concentration protocol to help you dismantle the multi-stream illusion and focus your capital where it actually compounds. The error is premature diversification. When you have limited capital, limited time, and limited expertise, diversification is just a polite word for dilution. To build real wealth, you must implement monomania of focus. You do not need 5 income streams. You need one master engine that generates overwhelming cash flow. Direct 100% of your operational bandwidth into mastering a single high-income skill or primary business model until it produces surplus capital that can actually be invested elsewhere. Next, execute the core asset build. Treat your primary income stream like a high-performance machine. Optimize its margins, automate its delivery, and scale its output until it runs with minimal friction. Only when your core engine is fully optimized and generating excess liquidity should you deploy that surplus into secondary passive yield-bearing assets. Finally, practice strategic sequencing. Wealth is built sequentially, not simultaneously. You build the primary engine first, then you use the leverage from that engine to acquire diverse assets. Stop chasing every shiny new income idea and start building a dominant financial core. Stop diluting your focus. Master one stream, build the core, and let absolute concentration fund your future empire. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time and money. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total financial control.